Hi there, I'm super excited to share with you my latest DIY IoT project. It involves building a smart home automation system using components from the Raspberry Pi and IoT Hub. By following these steps, you can build your own DIY IoT project and explore the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. To get started with building an IoT project, you'll need some basic equipment and a good understanding of the technology. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create your own IoT project. The first thing I did was to gather all the necessary materials. I bought an IoT Hub, a Raspberry Pi, power supplies, sensors, and various other components to build my own smart home system. Once everything was ready, I connected everything to the Raspberry Pi using the provided USB cables. You can identify the objects you want to connect to the internet. These could be anything from a light switch, a coffee maker, or even a smart thermostat. After setting up the Raspberry Pi, I installed the necessary operating systems and software. This included the Raspberry Pi and IoT Hub, as well as home automation apps. Then, I used an Ethernet cable to connect my Raspberry Pi to the internet. There are many IoT platforms available, each with its own features and capabilities. Some popular platforms include Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and Node.js. The next step was to program the Raspberry Pi to control the various sensors and devices in my home. I used an IoT app to designate specific actions for each sensor. For example, I could set up a sensor to detect when a door is unlocked, and then turn on the lights or send an alert to my phone. Once you've chosen your platform, you'll need to set up your development environment. This could involve installing the appropriate software, downloading libraries, and connecting your devices to the internet. Now that your project is up and running, it's important to test it and refine your design. This will help you ensure that your devices are communicating effectively and that your app is functioning as intended. Once my Raspberry Pi was programmed, I tested the system to make sure everything was working as expected. I was thrilled with the results, and I can't wait to see how my smart home system will benefit me and my family. As your IoT project grows, you'll need to consider how to scale it up. This could involve adding more devices, increasing the capacity of your network, or even developing a mobile app for your users. In summary, building a DIY IoT project can be a fun and rewarding experience. It allows you to explore the world of smart home automation and learn more about technology. With a little bit of time, effort, and creativity, you can create your own unique IoT system that will make your life easier and more enjoyable.